Learn how to transform your videos with a classic black and white look using this simple Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Start by opening your project and selecting the video clip you want to convert. We'll begin by removing the color. Go to the Effects panel and search for Lumetri color. Drag this effect onto your chosen clip in the timeline. With the clip selected, the Lumetri color panel will appear. We'll focus on the basic correction section. Locate the saturation slider and drag it all the way to the left. This instantly desaturates your footage, giving it a black and white appearance. Now, let's enhance the monochrome look by adjusting contrast and tonal range. In the Basic Correction tab, find the contrast slider, increase it slightly to add definition and depth to your black and white footage. Adjust the white slider by nudging it to the right to bring out subtle highlights and add a polished feel. For the black slider, move it slightly to the left to deepen shadows and add richness to the darker areas. And there you have it. Your video now boasts a timeless black and white aesthetic. Feel free to experiment with these settings to create your own unique vintage or cinematic look.